Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can transfer your site or your domain from Squarespace to Hostinger. So let's get right into it. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to go into your Squarespace options or your settings tab, go into domains and email, click on domains, and here click on the domain you want to transfer. Now I only have a built-in domain which I can't change or transfer, but let's say for the purpose of this tutorial I click here. Now from here you're going to need to unlock your site, and that looks something like this. You're going to click the domain lock and make the lock go off, as well as disable any whois privacy that might be active on your site. Now once you've unlocked that, and as I've mentioned, you're going to need to disable the whois privacy protection. Then you're going to need to point your domain to Hostinger name servers. You're going to go here, click on name server setting, click edit, and from there you're going to need to use custom name servers, and the default name servers are ns1.dns-parking.com, and the same as the previous, except just substitute the 1 for a2. And you're going to just add those name servers. And if you want to double check your name servers, and you're going to need to go to hosting and plan details in your Hostinger account just to make sure. Then you're going to need to get the transfer authorization code. You can just open the menu in the domains panel on Squarespace, which is this one right over here, and it'll send the transfer authorization code to your email. Then once you get that, you're going to want to copy that over, and you can also refer to the registration information in your domains panel if you don't know the domain contact's email, if you want to change it, etc. Then you're going to need to purchase a domain transfer on Hostinger, and prices start at $0.99 per year or 99 cents per year, with some TLDs including whois privacy protection. Then you're going to need to initiate the transfer on Hostinger by logging into your account, going into HPanel, and then selecting the transfer an existing domain option, which looks something like this. And then you're going to enter the domain you want to transfer to the available field and click transfer, complete the payment process and submit the code, then follow the rest of the prompt to finalize the domain transfer and confirm and finalize everything. And for this, you're going to need to verify your domain details, update DNS settings, test the website functionality, monitor performance, and upgrade domain renewal settings if you want to, or update domain renewal settings if you want to. And yeah, that is basically it. Then once you're done with that, you can cancel your subscription on Squarespace, and that is pretty much the end of that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.